Hello everybody, today a beautiful day. Yesterday rain, today beautiful. And tonight we want to make a steak pizzaiola. And I got everything over here already. I got a nice beautiful steak. I put salt and black pepper. I got the flour over here. And the flour, what you gotta do, I put a little salt and little black pepper. Okay, and this out over here. I got a garlic, I chop, and I got over here oregano 2020. This is for this year. I did the oregano. It smells so good. This, it's only the flour. The leaves, I don't use the leaves, only the flour. And I got a plum tomato. What I did, I take the skin out, and I take some of the seeds out too. Now, we gotta start with the sauce. And I take the sauce over there, and I take the garlic. And the sauce, we start on this part over here, and we leave it warm up nice. And I put oil. Okay, now you gotta warm up good the oil. The time the oil starts to warm up, where is my glass? It's right over here. And want to say salute e cincin to everybody. It's a beautiful day. I hope somebody make a barbecue outside. It's beautiful. Salute e cincin to everybody. Really good. Okay, now I got the garlic over here, and we put a garlic. And already the garlic smells so good already. And I want to put like little my oil baby. I got so many pepper outside, so beautiful. It's not long, really good.
Why are you using only the flowers for oregano?
Well, the oregano, it's the flower, not the leaves. It's why the leaves, a lot of people use. You buy the store, it sell the leaves. The flower, it do something else. You know, it make the oil with the flour. Cause the flour, it's really, really expensive. When I do, I throw away the leaves. It's for me. I'm not for to make something. I don't gotta sell. And I make only the flour. Okay, now I want to cut a little pepper for the sauce over here. But this pepper, you gotta watch, it gets really, really hot, okay? Okay, yeah, I cut a little piece like that.
What kind of steak you using?
It's a T-bone. It's a really good steak, nice. Okay, now, okay, the garlic is ready. And what I gotta do, I gotta lower the gas a little bit because I don't want to burn the garlic. And I use the plum tomato.
It's from from the garden. Tomatoes.
Oh, the pepper is hot. The pepper is hot. Okay, I put a little bit more.
So it's pepper and tomatoes from your garden.
The tomatoes are from my garden too. And I show the tomato. And look over here, this is my tomato I got over here. This is all the tomato, look how beautiful. It's really nice, hard tomato. This is the, what do you call it, the gel. Frosted gel, or big gel, or something.
First girl, I don't know, never heard such. First girl.
Frosted gel, big gel. Okay. Yeah, he called frosted gel.
First time I hear this.
Yeah,
First girl.
Yeah, the girl come first. Not me. The girl come and me I go. Okay, now the tomato, you know, already when I boil it, they take the skin
Can you
out.
use all tomatoes?
You want to use?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. And we use it all. Here. Okay, good.
Yes, it's better.
Okay,
Yes,
look up.
Italian hot peppers, yes.
It's an Italian long hot pepper. It's Oye baby. Put a little black pepper. Guarda nel giardino. A little salt. All right. Now we put the gas on over here. We leave warm up this good. And this is for the steak. And I got my steak over here.
Oh, thank you. You call only girl.
Only girl.
Yeah, not like you were saying first girl.
Well, it's the same thing. First girl, only girl.
Thank you.
Only girl. I say a girl. Only girl. Torna sorriendo.
Pepper is Oye baby.
And this is my Oye baby right over here. This is the baby, but it's hot. I want to say salute chin chin to everybody and thank you very much for the start. Thank you. Salute chin chin.
No, we never put in the refrigerator. They losing taste when you tomatoes.
Now we put oil over here for the steak. And I got one garlic, I split in half, and I want to put it together over here. Okay, give it the good taste when you fry this the steak. And the tomato. Okay, now the tomato, what I gotta do, I gotta load the flame. Okay, look at this. It's so good. The smell already really good. And now, this is for the steak. Now the garlic is starting to jump around. Okay, now flour and the steak.
What kind of steak is that?
It's a T-bone. Okay, now we do the second one. All right. We load the flame a little bit. I don't want to burn my steak. And I want to wash my hand. I want to drink a little more water. All right. Now somebody say, why you use only the flour? I want to show you what it look like, the flour or the leaves. Look at this. If this is the flour, it's the best. This is the oregano. It smells. When you do the flour separate and do the leaves separate. And after you let me know, some right or wrong. In Italy, my father, he was saying, I don't eat the leaves. I eat the flour, it's the best. Okay? That's what I do all the time. I told everybody, the flour. But when you buy, I don't want to say you buy the flour or the leaves. But I think you buy leaves. That's like this. Okay, now, okay, I was taking the oregano. And I gotta put oregano on my pizzaiola over here on the sauce. And look at this. Look at that. You don't see no leaves. And this will give really good taste. Mamma mia. Look at that.
How do you dry oregano?
The oregano, one time you cut it, and you gotta dry, you gotta use gloves. That's what I did with the gloves. Take all the leaves and you do like this. The leaves they come out and you leave the flour. After you got a lot of oregano, you make the thing like this. What do you call this? You know, bundle like this. You tie and you hang on the sun. But since the sun is so strong, 2 or 3 days it's dry. After you take the string out, salute cin cin everybody, and thank you very much for the stuff. Salute.
And you have video oregano.
And I got the video. After take the gloves, not the plastic gloves, strong gloves. Take the flour and you do like this. After when you do like this, I got another one. This is too small, the hole. I got one that's a little big. And you do like this, and all the flour, the oregano, it come out. It come out really beautiful.
You can use any steak you like.
Little more color. Okay, we'll raise the flame a little bit. I want to give a little bit more color. All right.
Well, Grandma, 93 years old, Grandma is watching you.
Oh, how you do, Grandma? 93 years old. Keep and go. 100 more.
Do you take skin of tomatoes? Yes.
Good. Okay, now the steak still you gotta cook a little bit more. And after we got the sauce, you go right on the top of the steak. Oh, so good. Maybe the steak we put over there.
Yeah, because it's bigger. Well, maybe you do one by one the steak. So it's more than enough.
Okay.
That's beautiful.
I make a nice color of the steak.
How is doing your figs?
My pig do really good. We find one, it was ready. We put already, we did it, we put I think on the Facebook, but I got so many. But that one we got, it's still small, maybe be ready the end of the August. But I got so many, lot.
You can use puree tomatoes, yes.
Look how beautiful this is steak. This is a really, really good steak. I'll make a nice color now. And we put it right on the pots over there.
Do you trim fig tree?
The fig tree, when it's in the winter time, I cut the top, it don't go too high. And I cut the top. make a little color on this. Okay, the steak is good. And we put it right over here on this pot. Okay, now you got a little extra oil over here. A little garlic. I'm gonna put the garlic, it gets a little burn. Okay, the taste will not come out the same.
Hello, Adam, how are you?
Okay, now it's the steak. And now we do like this. Okay, now this is the steak. Now you gotta cook. Okay, you know it's a big steak and with the sauce, everything. You gotta cook like maybe 10 minutes. And after what we do, we show what it look like when it's done. And on the side, we make our arugula. Arugula, it's from my garden. It's so nice, arugula garden, so beautiful. And I want to say to everybody, salute chin chin, everybody. Everybody drink a glass of wine with me. Come on, let's go. Okay? Thank you very much for your support, for everything. And thank you very much for the stuff.
Think that you got to do quarantine.
I don't want to forget. I got to watch the wine. I drink this, but after we got to do the quarantina. After this, we do the quarantina. Okay? Maybe everybody can watch it again. Salute, chin chin. And after we show maybe the steak, what it look like. Thank you very much. And thank you again for the stuff. Thank you.